The Hanging Temple of Hengshan, also known as Zhuangkong Temple, is a remarkable architectural marvel located near the city of Datong in Shaanxi Province, China. Built more than 1,500 years ago during the Northern Wei Dynasty 386-534 AD, this temple defies gravity by clinging precariously to the side of a sheer cliff face in the Hengshan mountain range. What makes the Hanging Temple so extraordinary is not just its location, but also its unique blend of Buddhist, Taoist, and Confucian elements. The temple is supported by a complex system of wooden pillars and beams inserted into the rock face, allowing it to stand suspended over 50 meters 1/6 feet above the ground. Despite its precarious position, the Hanging Temple has endured for centuries, surviving earthquakes, weathering, and the test of time. Its architecture showcases a harmonious fusion of different cultural and religious influences, with statues of Buddha, Confucius, and Laozi, the founder of Taoism, housed within its halls. The temple is renowned not only for its architectural ingenuity but also for its cultural and spiritual significance. It serves as a symbol of religious tolerance and coexistence, embodying the diverse traditions of Chinese spirituality. Visitors to the Hanging Temple are awed by its breathtaking setting and intricate craftsmanship, as well as the sense of tranquility and reverence that pervades its halls. It remains a popular destination for tourists, pilgrims, and scholars alike, attracting visitors from around the world who come to marvel at this awe-inspiring testament to human creativity and devotion. Fanjing Mountain, located in southwestern China's Guizhou province, is a place of exceptional natural beauty and cultural significance. Here's an overview. Geography and environment. Fanjing Mountain, also known as Mount Fanjing or Fanjingshan, is part of the Wuling mountain range. It stands at an elevation of about 2,570 meters above sea level, making it the highest peak in the Wuling range. The mountain is characterized by its rugged terrain, lush forests, and unique rock formations. Ecological importance. Fanjing Mountain is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a designated UNESCO Biosphere Reserve due to its rich biodiversity and unique ecosystem. The mountain is home to numerous endemic plant and animal species, some of which are considered rare or endangered. Its diverse habitats range from subtropical forests at lower elevations to alpine meadows and rocky cliffs near the summit. Cultural significance. Fanjing Mountain holds cultural significance for both Buddhists and Taoists in China. At its summit, there is a sacred Buddhist temple known as the Buddhist Sanctuary atop Fanjing Mountain. This temple, along with several others on the mountain, has been a place of pilgrimage and spiritual retreat for centuries. The mountain is also associated with the Miao ethnic minority, who have their own cultural traditions and legends related to Fanjing. Buddhist Sanctuary. The Buddhist Sanctuary atop Fanjing Mountain, also called the Fanjing Temple, is a revered site for Buddhist practitioners. It is situated near the summit and consists of several halls and pavilions nestled among the rocky landscape. The temple complex is known for its architectural beauty, as well as its serene atmosphere and panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Hiking and tourism. Fanjing Mountain has become a popular destination for hiking and ecotourism, attracting visitors who come to explore its scenic trails, observe its unique flora and fauna, and experience its cultural heritage. The mountain offers various hiking routes of varying difficulty levels, allowing visitors to appreciate its natural beauty and cultural treasures. Overall, Fanjing Mountain is a place of great natural and cultural significance, offering visitors a chance to immerse themselves in the splendor of China's natural landscapes and ancient spiritual traditions. The Madonna della Corona, or the Sanctuary of the Lady of the Crown, is a stunning religious sanctuary located in the province of Verona, Italy. Here's an overview. Location and setting. Perched dramatically on a sheer cliff face in the Monte Baldo range of the Italian Alps, the Sanctuary of the Madonna della Corona offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Its secluded location, nestled amidst rugged mountains and lush forests, lends it an aura of serenity and spirituality. History and origins. The sanctuary has ancient origins dating back to the 16th century, although its exact founding date is uncertain. According to legend, a local shepherd discovered a wooden statue of the Virgin Mary hidden among the rocks on the mountainside. This discovery led to the construction of a small chapel to house the statue, which eventually evolved into the present-day sanctuary. Architectural features. The architecture of the Madonna della Corona is both striking and harmonious, blending seamlessly with the natural contours of the cliffside. The sanctuary is built into the rock face, with its facade adorned with intricate sculptures and decorative elements. Inside, visitors can explore a series of chapels adorned with beautiful frescoes and religious artwork, culminating in the main sanctuary housing the venerated statue of the Madonna. Religious significance. The sanctuary is a place of pilgrimage and devotion for Catholics who come to pay homage to the Madonna della Corona and seek her intercession. The statue of the Virgin Mary is believed to possess miraculous powers, and numerous miracles and healings have been attributed to her intercession over the centuries. The sanctuary is also a site of prayer, reflection, and spiritual renewal for visitors of all faiths. Visitor experience. Access to the sanctuary is via a scenic hiking trail or a winding road that ascends the mountainside. Visitors must climb a series of steps carved into the rock to reach the sanctuary, adding to the sense of pilgrimage and adventure. Upon reaching the sanctuary, visitors are rewarded with panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys, as well as the opportunity to experience the tranquility and spirituality of this sacred place. Overall, the Madonna della Corona is a testament to both human ingenuity and divine grace, offering visitors a unique opportunity to connect with nature, history, and spirituality in one of Italy's most awe-inspiring settings. Thank you for watching my friends at Ronnie's Mind Palace. We talks everything, never boring. My friends, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos. See you next time.